Watch your mouth, Zero. Before
Son of a
the
bitch.
mathematician subtracts your head from your shoulders.
So, as a fellow number cruncher, could I please ask what this is all about?
That moon's where we divide losers from winners before adding them to the Megacorp games. There's a challenger up there ready to reduce you to nothing.
This technology looks familiar. Perhaps I could.
Sweet. Think you can get us to that moon?
Alright, it's boss time.
Hey! Remember us?
Ow. I forgot what the controls are. Fuck. I need food. Okay, that's funny. Ow, you bastard. Yeah, all you have to do is just keep on jumping while your life's dying and punch him. That's what I do. It's so much fucking easier. Where the fuck is he? Is he behind me? Oh yes he is. Wow. I was wondering what the fuck is he at? Eat this. Eat this. Ooh, he almost got me, you motherfucker. It'll fix it. Yeah, if you go on top of him, you get like a lot of damage to him. Uh-oh, he's mad. Whatever should I do? But I need some fucking health now. Oh my god, get this fucking helicopters out of here. What the hell? You fail. Holy shit, I'm almost dead. I am almost dead. I am almost dead. Oh, come on. I don't get him yet. I need to keep on jumping. I need to keep on jumping. I'm almost fucking dead. Got him. Oh my god, I got him. Oh. Oh my god, look at my health. Holy shit. Oh man. Alright.
Welcome to Megacorp Games, sponsored by Megacorp. Okay, Megacorp contestants, get ready to grapple with our Megacorp Gladiator team. And if you survive that, enter the Megacorp Battle Arena with our Mega Spider-Man and Mega Cage match. Then open the throttle for the all Megacorp Bumperback race, brought to you by Team Megacorp Racing. Our summon this year's competition not owned, endorsed, sponsored, supplied, advocated, or even liked by Megacorp. Approach the Megacorp Games. Keep it mega.
Alright, we could do it again, but we just don't get nothing. Alright, go to return to the ship, and we all go into the inside the factory. Those like a couple of enemies in that factory, so. Alright, let me get some ammo. There we go. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Motherfucker die. Yeah, now the green ones now. Yeah, if we destroy the electricity will go away. Yeah. Hurt me whatever you want. It doesn't hurt that much. Oh, what? Oh no, a flying tank. Yes, you need to destroy it so you can get that slingshot open.
Okay, this must be the core terminal. Let's see what we can get from it.
The power appears to be out in this entire area.
You're right. I better call a maintenance bot.
Stupid robot.
Let's just follow him and fix it ourselves.
See, robots are dumb, people. Robots are really dumb. Yeah, I really don't like this. This one's a little bit harder for me. But wait until this one planet. Oh my god. Yeah, there's nothing